In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Polo shirt cake step by step. I baked 3 8-inch square cakes. The recipe I used for this amount of cake can be found in the description box below. After leveling all the cakes, I'm going to stack 2 cakes on top of each other, then cut the other one in half and stack on itself. Cutting away a little bit from here to make the joint smooth. Now I'm going to sandwich the layers and cover the cake in ganache. The recipe I used for the ganache can be found in the description box. I spent some time smoothing the ganache as much as possible because that's what makes the end result look more professional. I smooth out the corners first and then the rest is easy. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I rolled out a strip of fondant for the collar and cutting out the collar shape. The collar is roughly 3 inches wide and around 19 inches long. This piece here is for the placket. Adding stitch detail. Now I'm creating the buttons to go on top of the placket. I don't have a small enough cutter for the buttons, so using a large round piping tip. Making the label, I'm using an edible marker to draw on a white piece of fondant, and then later I'll paint on it with gel food coloring to make it darker. This is the tag. I'm painting happy birthday on it and we'll add a barcode below that. I'm using 2 strips of paper, just slightly stick it to the fondant with a little bit of water. This is to cover the edges while I paint the barcode on the tag. covering the board with some white fondant to add a fabric effect. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments which color you would use for this shirt if you made this cake.